Gonna feint, roll under, bow, bow. And then hey guys, Coach Pillow Fist here, and I got Jose with me here. So I've already done a few videos on angles already, from the basics of angles to the setups. In this video, I'm gonna go over my favorite ways to utilize those angles in a fight. So starting off, you guys gotta learn how to slip or roll while you guys shift to that angle. So the way that you guys do that is, remember you guys do that initial step when you guys go to the angle. Alright, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slip at the same time that you step to that angle. So if I'm gonna go to my right side, I'm gonna step to my right side, then I'm gonna shift. If I'm gonna go to my left side, I'm gonna step to my left side as I slip, then I'm gonna shift. I'm gonna go step and I slip at the same time, and then I shift that angle. Alright? So I'm gonna step, bow. So real slowly, I'm gonna go step and I slip at the same time, and then I shift. Bow. Now if we want to go to the other side, I'm going to step and slip at the same time to my left side now, and then shift. Alright, so again I'm going to step and I slip, shift, bow, 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 bow. So if I'm going to roll instead of slip, it's the same process, right? I'm going to roll at the same time that I step, right? And then I shift that angle. Again, I'm going to roll to my right and step to my right at the same time. Then I do my shift. And then I punch. Same thing if I want to go to my left hand side. So I'm going to roll to my left and step to my left. Then I shift. Alright, so again over here. So I'm going to roll to my left, bow, bow. Now once you guys get that down, you guys can start throwing in combinations with it. So let's go like a 1-1-2. I'm going to slip to my right and step to my right at the same time. 1-1-2, slip and step to my right. Then I'm going to shift and then I punch. I'm going to go 1-1-2, step and slip at the same time. Shift and punch. Now going to the other side now, I'm going to go 1-1-2-3. I'm going to slip and step to the other side. So I go 1-1-2-3. I'm going to slip to my left and step with my left. Then I'm going to shift. So again, real slowly, I'm going to go 1-1-2-3. Slip and step, shift and punch. Alright, a little faster now. Go 1-1-2-3. Bow, bow. You guys can also do this rolling. I go 1-1-2-3. I'm going to roll. Bow, bow. So same process, I'm just rolling at the same time that I'm stepping. 1-1-2-3, bow, bow. And then the other side, if I want to go 1-1-2 roll, 1-1-2 roll, bow, bow. So real slow, 1-1-2 roll, step at the same time that you roll, shift, punch, 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 punch. Now another thing that you guys can do is simultaneously punch as you slip. So starting with going to my left side, I'm going to step with my left, and slip with my left, and I'm gonna punch with my right. Just like that. And I prefer doing like an overhand right when I do this, is I step, and then I bow, and then shift to my angle over here. So again, I'm gonna step and I slip at the same time that I punch with my right. Alright? Same thing on the other side. If I go to my right side, I'm gonna step with my right foot and slip to my right side, but at the same time, I'm gonna punch with my left. Just like that. Then I shift. Step, slip, punch all at the same time. Then shift that angle. Just like that. Shift and punch. And then again, once you guys get that done, you guys can start mixing in your combinations. So I can go 1-1-2, bow, bow. Alright, 1-1-2. Punch, punch. 1-1-2, punch, punch. Now we're gonna go 1-1-2-3 and then go to the other side. So we're gonna go 1-1-2-3, right? And at the same time, I'm gonna slip to my right side, step to my right side, then punch with my left. 1-1-2-3, then shift and punch. So 1-1-2-3, bow, bow. The next thing that you guys can do is feint, then slip and step to that same side. So this is going to be really good if you notice that they're trying to counter punch you, right? They're trying to counter punch me. I'm going to bait them with my right hand by feinting, and then I'm going to bow, 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 right? So again, what I'm going to do, I'm going to feint, roll under, bow, bow, bow. Same thing if I want to go to the left side, right? I'm going to feint my left hand, and then I'm going to shift. So again, feint, bow. Everybody loves angles. It looks nice and everything, but you guys got to use it sparingly. Don't be looking for that angle all the time, right? Because then it's going to become predictable and it's going to be easy to counter that. Sometimes you cut the angle, sometimes you don't. Be patient with it. But alright everybody, thank you guys for tuning into that video. Thank you Jose for being in that video. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.